What's up, guys? On today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to find the IP address of your PS5 console. First of all, we need to make sure our controller is connected. We see the light, so we know it's connected. And as you can see, we are offline, so we don't have internet access on our device yet. But we're going to check all that and correct all that soon. So we go to settings. And when we go to settings, we go to network just to confirm we don't have internet. So we go back and we go to settings again, and we go to system, we go to console information. Right here you can see we have no IPv4 address or IPv6 address, but we have a MAC address, Wi-Fi, and LAN, which identifies the PS5 console. But we want to check on the local IP address, so we're going to go back, we're going to connect to the internet, and we're going to go back to settings, set up the internet connection, and this is my Wi-Fi. Now we are connected to the internet. When we go back to system information, console information on the system. Right, we see our IPv4 address and our IPv6 address. The IPv4 address is our local address. We can go back, also go to network, and we can view our test internet connection. When we test it, you see everything is successful. We can view connection status, and we see the same addresses there. When we scroll down, we see all the addresses that we need here. All right, and that's how you get your IP address on your PS5 console. See you